It's really hard to jumpstart your store if you don't have a lot of items. And also look around your house. The average person has $3,000 to $5,000 worth of valuable items that they don't even know are valuable that they could put on eBay. So you really got to get a large quantity of inventory. That's number one. Let's consider that you already have a bunch of inventory. Number two, you need to get to 100 listings as fast as possible. I found that 100 listings is really the sweet spot. That's the best place to kind of start getting things going. Sales start kind of jumping off more consistently. You start having daily sales at 100 listings, and you got to start creating listing goals, right? We all have different schedules. Maybe you can only list Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If that's the case, then so be it. But figure out what your schedule is. Okay, I can list 3 days a week, I can list 5 days a week, I can list 7 days a week, and then break that up. That's the best thing you can do to jumpstart your eBay business, is to list consistently and find a bunch of inventory and get to 100 items listed as quick as possible.